Good morning, all you handsome people. Yes, I have a boo-boo in my eye. Yes, I know. It looks bad. Delina told me not to do it. I did it anyway. I had an argument with a bracket, but I won. Yes, I did. Today, we are not remodeling. Today, we are going to evict a tree frog from my RV heater. We'll see who wins this game. Okay, here we go. Mr. Frog, you are going to find a new home. You are going to find a new home today, Mr. Frog. Today, we are going to do this. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, Mr. Squirrel. Can I see you, Mr. Squirrel? Hello there. You're eating your nuts? Oh, that's not very nice. Squirrel's eating nuts. Interesting. Hello there, Mr. Squirrel. You don't seem to be afraid of me. Okay, goodbye. Oh, there is Mr. Tree Frog. You don't look too happy today. Can you see Mr. Tree Frog? Hello, Mr. Tree Frog. Want a good look at you? Probably jump out and scare the shit out of me. We're going to evict you from the heater. If you could see, he's sticking his head out from the heater. You're not going to be happy when I turn that heater on. So today, we are going to evict you. You should be, oh, yeah, you think, oh, you look at this, he's going back inside. So no, you're not. We're going to get behind you. Going to get behind you. Get behind you. We're going to guide you up. Go on. There you go. Hit the streets. Now we're going to see if there's anybody else in there. And we're going to put a screen on there. Oh, not funny. No, not funny. Still not funny. Okay. All right. We're going to go get the screen. We're off to see the wizard. Bet you Mr. Tree Frog tried to get back in there again. I chased him out a bunch of other times. Let's see what is inside now. Ooh. There's another one in there. Oh, come on. You know, this is not funny, guys. You're going to be cooked in there. He's way in there. You probably can't see him. Oh, you went in there even further. Come on, you rascal. Come on. He's coming. He's coming. I hope you can see this. He's coming. Come on. You don't like it, but he's coming. Can you see him? Get a good close-up now. Come on. Here he comes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go again. Come on. You're coming out. Here he comes. Come on. Come on, you bastard. Get off of there. Oh, he's a big one. It's gonna get awful warm in there. turn the heater on. 2 of them in there. I got news for you to see. Is to put that little spring in here like that. Oh, I lost it already. Shit. Oh, I lost all of them. I dropped them all on the ground. Yeah, just enthused about the whole thing. Okay. Now, I should probably read the directions after I kill this mosquito. You little bugger, you. Oh, you little son of a gun. He thinks he's gonna bite me. I'm gonna squish him so squished. There you go, you little bugger. Can you see him? Look at that little bugger. Okay, that's enough of that. It says it's very easy. That's what they all say. So you hook it. Doesn't matter which end. You hook it inside the screen somewheres, like that. Then you put this magic tool and hook it onto the, there it is, and you hook it onto the, I still can't see shit. Look at that, it works. Look at that, slicker than weasel shit. Good morning, all you beautiful people. Remember I used to say how many days it was to remodel job? Well, I have no clue anymore. Besides that, we're not going to remodel today. We are going to do poop today. We are going to be under the RV. Usually you let things dry up before you remove all the sewer waste valves, but the way we do things here is we are going to remove the waste valves with it dripping. Why? Because it's much more interesting. And we're going to see if we can't get you all full of poop. I have no clue where I am. So I've taken some things apart. I've dropped the pan down out of the RV. Isn't it nice in here? Pretty cozy. Like a mother-in-law apartment. Come on, adjust the thing right. Stop jiggling around. Remember? The videos don't come out good when you're jiggling things around. You're making me seasick. It's okay. How's that? I have no clue. Can we see anything? Maybe. Help it up a little bit. That's pretty good. Okay, let's get in closer. I have to crawl through the mud. Of course, it's been raining for 3 months here. 6 inches a day. So, that makes things just that much more interesting. Listen. Drip, 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 drip. Yep, that's pee dripping out. That don't scare me. Nope. Don't scare me in the least. Where am I going to put you where you could look and see? Can you see? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Can you see anything? Yeah, probably. And we'll put you right over here. Maybe that's a good view. Okay, this is going to be very exciting. I've planned this very well. The poop, it's already started to drip here. I loosened them all up. It's going to drip onto here and under the thing that I'm laying on. Oh, red ants. Oh yeah, let me tell you a story about I called the RV guy. Said, Mr. RV, we fix everything. We will come out there and we will perform miracles on your RV. Sir, where is the RV? Is it in a campground? No. Is it on Is it on concrete? What do you mean on concrete? Is it parked on a concrete slab? No. Is it on grass? Yes. Is it on dirt? Yes. Sorry, we can't come. What? No, there's red ants and there's sweat, and my men won't do that. So how do you like that? They won't come out and lay in the dirt. It's modern technology. These we don't have any more men. We ran out of men. We have neutral gender idiots now. Okay. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm putting these towels so neatly on there. That is to catch any big, large pieces of poop. You know, the big, large ones. The object of this game is to take these bolts out. Here's the valve. Here's the valve here. Yep, and a valve here. And it had cables going to it before I adjusted them with a pair of cutting pliers. And this one here. So we're going to put these two valves in at the same time, which should be very interesting. And now that I say that, I didn't get the other valve. I gotta go get the other valve. Here's one of the new valves. There's a few pieces missing, some rubbers I gotta go get, which I should do that now before I take them apart. Yes, I will do that. I will go get the rubbers. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we're gonna do this. I went and got grease, and I thought about Vaseline, and I thought about wheel bearing grease, and I thought about axle grease, and I thought about white lube grease, and I decided that we'll use, I don't know what kind of grease. We're gonna use this here plumber's faucet and valve grease. And you're asking, how in the heck did I ever have that stuff on hand? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know a lot of things. Okay. This is going to be very interesting. Very interesting to hold all this stuff together while I'm trying to do 18 things. And these seals that come with the kit go inside the valve. See? Valve. Supposed to go in and out, hopefully. See? In and out, in and out. Yep. In and out. Yep, 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 yep. Let's leave it open while I'm doing this magic stuff. And it goes in like this. And supposedly, when the valve closes, it'll touch on these lip here, and it'll clean any nasties away as it seals itself back in here. So one goes on one side, one goes on the other. The object of the game is to keep it from falling out. See? See? Because when I go to put it up there, it will fall out every time. So I will put plumber's grease, maybe. I've had it for 200 years. And swatting mosquitoes at the same time. Not that we have mosquitoes in Florida. Nope. Oh, I was over there talking to the Florida power guy, and there was a big limb laying on the ground. So of course, you know, we don't use gloves. We are real men. We don't use gloves, you know,
pick up gloves, pick up, you know, tree limbs. So I picked up this big tree limb, and of course it's full of red ants, and I didn't see the red ants until 1,000 of them were biting me, but I'm a big boy, I don't cry. Okay, put the seal here. Again, like magic, doesn't fall out, I'm telling you. Genius. Where shall I put this? What's gonna be bad? Okay, the valves are, make sure valves are facing in the right direction. Don't put them on backwards and then have to redo them. That would be another bad mistake. Okay, let's start taking the things apart. Don't be afraid of all these electrical wires. Bzzz, not funny. Okay. Why am I putting the nuts back on the bolts again? I don't know. Where are the rest of them? I don't know. Oh my God, there's mosquitoes all over me. I sprayed the magic stuff and it still ain't working. Oh, bad things are gonna happen here in a minute. All of a sudden, it's just, all this stuff's gonna let go and it's gonna fall on my little head. And I'm gonna be like a big mess. All I have to do is touch something and it'll come apart. Don't touch anything. Be careful. Notice I do that with one finger. Can you see that? Oh, you gotta see that. I mean, that was amazing stuff. Watch this, watch. Okay, 2 fingers, watch. Look, 1 finger. I'm telling you. Genius. Take the bolts out. Oh boy, I'm getting nervous. These things are gonna happen. I'm scared. I'm scared to do it. Daddy, I'm scared. Yeah, here goes. Don't be scared. Oh boy. Here it comes. I knew it. Maybe I'll do one at a time. That would be way too easy. Told you it was going to drip all over the place, didn't I? Told you. It'll be a big mess. Maybe I should just put the towel aside and let it drip. Let it roll under, because I planned that. Under the paper. Oh man, what a mess. The other side's starting to leak. It's just ready to blow. What does it stink? Oh my God. Oh, shut up. Don't be a big boy. Don't cry. Here it comes. Oh man, there it goes. It's splashing everywhere. Oh, it's in my eyes. Shit. Why don't you get the bucket? Because it's not dripping down there anymore. Let's get the bucket. Let's get the bucket. Of course, the bucket won't fit. Heck no. Oh, yeah, maybe. Woo! Daddy, does that smell? Be prepared. Save up. Save your buckets if you're going to do this job. Need a bucket for everything. Got a bucket dripping on my leg. Got a bucket dripping on the end here. Bucket under every valve. I got buckets under buckets. Here we go again. I don't want to do this. Here we go. It's going to be bad. Very, very bad. Take it out. Don't be afraid. Oh, come on. Where's the seals? See this? The valve came out. There's no seals. Then I got to put my finger in there to get the seals out. There's the old valve. Oh, it's white. Ah, looks like it's working okay. Wonder why it didn't work. Who knows? Didn't work. Why did I replace it? I don't know. What am I doing? What's happening? Oh, it's not dripping on there anymore. Come on. What are you doing? Drip into the bucket. Okay, here we go with the first valve. Stick your fingers in there, Gary. Oh, man, come on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's a damn mosquito right here. Oh, there's the other seal. Yeah, there's the other one. My fingers are just buried in poop. Crap. Poop crap. Now we're putting a new one in, I think. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Very difficult. Oh, come on. Come on. Now, did you get the seals in there? I don't know. What are you gonna do? Take it apart to look? Oh shit, the whole tank moved. I didn't know that. Oh, come on. The friggin' tank is not bolted down. You idiots. They didn't screw the tank down. Oh my God, you friggin', oh, you bastards. You believe this shit. I'm back after a long struggle with the other one. I got one of them in. Of course, the gray. Couldn't be the black water. You know, at least we could have that on. No, it's got to be the other one. And what a struggle it was. And I'll tell you why. Because this valve has these two flanges on them that goes over the tank. The other one didn't. The other one only had the screws here. This one goes over it. So now, the problem is to get all the seals in there and squeeze the seals together, get a bolt in there, swat the mosquitoes, hold your face right. What a genius to make these things. Let's get this out of here. It's full of poop. Let's go back to what we were doing. Ay, ay, ay. You guys thought this was going to be a 5-minute job. Where's that valve? Ugh. Again, too bad this isn't smell-o-vision, because this is really great stuff. And the object of the game is to do like 50 different things at one time. We got the other valve out. Wonderful. Do we know what was wrong with it? Probably not. Do we care? Probably not again. That wire would probably like it better if it was up here. Yeah, look at that. Well, we fixed something. Those other morons from the factory couldn't do. Is there something stuck in there? Put your fingers in there. It's okay. The big pieces of poop. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Make sure the valve is going the right way. Is that one going? Oh, thank God, that one's going the right way. Okay, honey, here goes nothing. Where's my bolts? There's my bolts. Everything is wet. I'm laying in this stuff. That's okay. At least I don't have long hair, because that would really be a mess. Okay, let's pull it apart. Put it in there. Look how easy that goes in there. I thought so in the beginning, and it's not really. It's really a pain in the ass. Oh, I also found out that they didn't bolt the tanks down. So when you put pressure on the tanks to push them together, I got a cramp in my shoulder. Why? I may even say, gosh darn it. Well, the two in the back are in, but the two in the front aren't. It won't let me slide. You're asking if I got it in there? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Because I got a cramp in my shoulder. I got crap in my eye. I'm a big boy. I don't cry. The hell I don't. And the smell is just perfect. Crap. And of course, it would be nice if I could put these bolts facing this way, because then my arm, oh my god, got a cramp in my arm. Okay, we're getting back under the trailer again. That's what I do. Oh God, this is so much fun. Okay. So now the problem is that I may have the thing too tight. Oh God, yeah. Maybe not. Yeah. It will loosen them up a little bit. I think I got too carried away with tightening the things up. I torqued them down to 400 pounds per square inches. Oh yeah, way too tight. I'm sorry. I got carried away. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh my goodness. Way too tight. Too tight. Too tight, Gary. Way too tight. What were you thinking? I don't know. I was torquing down lug nuts on a truck. I don't know. This one works better than that one. I don't know why. That one's all right. Okay, we did it. Okay, so where are you? Come over here. Why are you wet? Why are you always way over there? Every time. Oh, this stinks. That's going. Oh yeah. Why are you always way over there? Everything is way over there. Oh, man. Even the buckets are way over there. Okay. Them out there. Them out there. You come with me. Oh, that's a full bucket of sewer water. We don't want to grab that. All right. Come on with me. Come on. Follow me. Come on. A little closer. Ay, ay, ay. I was only about 15 years younger, maybe 30. Okay, we're out in the daylight. That was great under there, wasn't it? Oh yeah. This admirer worked for a while. Oh shit, the damn thing's dripping on my face too right there. Okay. So when I come back, we're going to drill some holes here. There's a hole here, and we are going to put the cables to operate these things to here. We're not going to go dun, dun, dun. I don't know what that means. We're not going to go in here, because then the cables go all the way around and down in that hole. Oh, there's another plumbing job I did. Great job. Okay. And we're not doing that. We're gonna go right through the frame. Be back later. Bye.